Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. And I bet you're wondering what I've got in this box. Yeah, if you've seen the description, hey Steve, we know exactly what's in that box. So what we do know, it's an unboxing. Now, as you can see, this box has not been opened at all. So I've just got it today. You already know it's a 2009 Focus RS. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And don't forget to check the description, because there may be something down there that may interest you or not. And on this channel, I do cover memorabilia, toys and cars. So let's get her open. Better get me glasses on. Oh, how exciting I am. Don't want that. Yes. As you can see, that's been well packed up. Now I bought this off eBay. It was I think it was 150 quid, something like that. What's it saying here? Thank you for your purchase. Hope everything's okay. I hope so as well. Mrs. Crazy Baker asked me what on earth am I doing buying more toys. Yes, she said you've got a garage for. I always like a box inside a box. Oh, and that's what I like to see. Yep, it's definitely a genuine Ford model. I'm excited about this. Oh yes, look at that, polystyrene, well packed up. The question is, which way round it is it going to be? Oh yes, just look at that. I thought it'd be an easy way just to get him out the box, but I guess you just got to go like this. This is like Christmas, guys. So there she is out the box. Now, doesn't that look pretty cool? Now, none of the doors open, nothing opens at all on it. It's got a lot of detail on it, as you can see. It's obviously got badges on the front, and you look round, it's really got all the detail, which is really, really nice with a model like this. This is a full-blown resin model. Now, this particular model, the blue seats. Now, in my Focus RS, I've got the shell seats, and obviously this one hasn't got the shell seats. I guess someone out there, I know how to take it to bits and put them in. You know, this is a model world, isn't it? And if you're interested in this model, they still are available in some dealers. So just in case you're wondering, this is the Ford Focus RS Mk2. It's white, it's a 1/18 scale, Otto model, and the code for it is OT977. And today, in Europe, this will set you back 159 euros. But here, 137 quid, delivered to the door. Can't go wrong from that, can you? And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. Now, I've got lots more models to show you. In fact, I've got, pardon the pun, but I have got a shed full of models going back to the 1950s and onwards. And bear this in mind, I've been collecting since I was 10. So that's some 50 years ago or more. Oh, and that could be lying. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters! This is the Crazy Baker Unleashed channel. Cars. Honest reviews. DIY. Toys. And behind the scenes of all the crap I buy. Old school memorabilia. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!